Hey guys, today we are counting in different languages and we are going to listen from very many languages how they count 1 to 10 in their language. And I want to begin with my sister here. Hi Diki.
Hi.
You're going to count for me 1 to 10 in your language. So which language do you speak?
Well, I speak Kakwa.
Okay, fine. So count 1 to 10 in Kakwa.
1 to 10. Okay. Gele, Mora, Musala, Ingman, Mukana, Bukie, Burio, Budo, Bunga, and Meregele.
Yeah, Meregele is 10.
Yeah.
Gele, Mure, Musala, Iman. I can stop there. Hey, hi Janet.
Hello.
You're going to count for me 1 to 10 in whichever language you speak. So can you begin?
Okay. I'm Emmanuel.
Okay.
Yeah, I can count for you from 1 until 10.
Uh-huh.
Skel, Rel, Diok, Ngwan, Diej, Bakel, Baro, Badak, Bangwan, Wal.
Wow. That one is difficult. Even I cannot guess one. Hi.
Hi.
I want you to count for me 1 to 10 in whichever language you speak. So, which language do you speak?
Okay, I speak Arabic.
Okay.
Yeah, counting with Arabic 1 to 10 is White, Idnin, Talata, Arba, Kamsa, Sita, Saba, Temenia, Tisha, Ashara.
Wow. Wahid itnen saba temenia ashara. Hey, gentleman.
Hello.
I want you to count for me 1 to 10 in whichever language you speak.
I speak in Swahili. If you want to count a number from 1 up to 10 in Swahili, you say moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa, kumi. That is all about.
Okay. Moja, mbili, tatu, nne, tano, sita, saba, nane, tisa,
kumi.
Wow, I've learned. Hey, Tracy.
Hi.
I want you to count for me 1 to 10 in whichever language you speak. I don't know. Just count 1 to 10 in your language.
Okay. I'm going to count in Ironyora.
Okay.
It goes emu, ibiri, isatu, ina, itano, mukaga, musanju, munana, mwenda, ikumi.
Munana, musajo, ikumi. So funny. Hey.
Hi.
You're counting 1 to 10 in whichever language you speak. So I want to hear.
Alu, Iri, Na, Su, Toi, Azia, Aziri, Aro, Oromi, Mudri.
The language.
Lugara.
Look, Barati. Alu, Aziri, Azia, Toi. Wow. At least I've learned something. And I think I should conclude with my language. I speak Nuba language and specifically Moro. We count 1 to 10 as Gonto, Galichan, Galichin, Marlon, Theneng Gonto, Theneng Galichan, Theneng Galichin, Theneng Marlon, Red. That's how we count in our language.